Today let's talk about coriander seeds, also known as dhania seeds, and how they can help relieve UTI symptoms. If you're feeling discomfort, these little seeds can work wonders. Here's what they can do. 1. They reduce burning and inflammation. They help calm down excess pitta. 2nd, they ease urgency and pain. They help balance vata. 3rd, they flush toxins. They're great at cleansing the body. 4th, they have a diuretic effect, helping you urinate and flush out the toxin. We take them. So we take it in the form of Dhanyaka Hima, which is a cold infusion. And how do we prepare it? We take 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, crush them, add it to 1 glass of water, let it sit overnight. The next morning, filter the water, add a little mishri, which is rock candy sugar, because it has a cooling effect. Now, avoid adding honey or jaggery, as that can be heating and might aggravate the symptoms. When do we take it? We take it on an empty stomach, and after that 3 to 4 times a day.